What is up, everybody? It is early. It's not that early. It's like, I don't know. Let me check here for you. 8:58 in the morning, Labor Day weekend. We're out here. We're gonna do some fishing. The girls wanted to go fishing, so we're gonna fish. I don't know. I've never like filmed anything fishing. I hate fishing, actually. It's boring to me. But we're gonna check it out and see if we can't catch some fish, and we're gonna see if we can't get some, like, I don't know, cool footage or something. Got my Energize here. We're gonna go fish. So we're gonna get some videos of them casting this out and see what we can do. So here we go.
Dip it in the water. Oh yeah. Look at your weights.
Oh, all these little fish are already coming up to my bait.
I'm chasing it. Hold the string.
I know.
Oh wait! You didn't hold the string. I said hold the string. I know.
It's all right. She's getting her done. Watch yourself. Good cast.
You did. There's so many of them. Come get my bait, suckers. There's a huge
Just leave it in there for a second.
one.
Piranhas. Piranhas.
What if I caught one of those? I think the bait's a little bit too big for their mouths.
No! No!
Oh, that wasn't
No!
far. Yep.
Let's go help Brianna over here. Oh no, it's all tangled.
3, 4. There's so many.
That is awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Look, one just disappeared under the water.
That's crazy. They're just chilling up there on the seabed. Oh, it disappeared. That's awesome. That's awesome.
That is cool. There's a whole ton of frogs over here.
There's one right there. That's funny. Dad, someone's gonna take our half of it. Yeah. Dad, the little fish ate half my bait. I want to fish over here, but I'm scared I'm gonna catch a frog. Or I'm gonna get caught on a tree. Well, Brianna, hurry up and redo your stuff. Yep, fishing. That is why you don't fish near trees.
Except this time, I think I'm gonna put a lure on.
Oh, there's another one. It's hidden. I can barely even see it. All I saw was its eye.
Yeah.
Over here. It's like hiding.
Oh yeah, right on the little thing.
Yeah. Come on, Brianna.
What?
Oh, I thought you were still over there. We just found a couple frogs.
Yeah, we're going there by the little bridge. So right now, there's a fire nearby, right? And it's putting off quite a bit of smoke. Now, normally, you can see these mountains really, I mean, obviously, you can see the sun here. Like I told you before, it's only what? It's about 9:44 right now. But that is all smoke. Smoke, smoke, smoke. From that fire right there, you can still see some like puff of smoke right there. I don't know if you can see that, but that's where the fire is. And it's just pushing all that smoke over down here across the valley. It's pretty bad. But it makes for a beautiful morning. It makes for even more beautiful sunsets. But hopefully they get that out soon because it's not good. But update, no fish. Saw some frogs, you'll see in the video obviously. But yeah, check it out. This place is pretty cool. We got ourselves a little swing right here. I don't know, it's not really very deep, so it's kind of sketchy. But let's run down here, check out what the girls are doing. They said something about some crawdads. Maybe they'll get lucky.
Pretty big crawdad.
Get some crawdads. Where? Oh, they see one. It's in the water?
Yeah. You see it? Moving. I'm not.
Sorry, it was me.
Dad's moving it up.
Oh, yeah, I do see it.
Look how big that thing is. Brianna's gonna try and help me catch it.
Right in there.
I'm gonna catch it.
It's pretty big.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you can see it moving.
I saw a pile of crawdad legs.
I'll try to point it out in this video if you can't see it.
It's cool. I'm gonna try and catch it.
Just saw a fish
You did?
jump out there.
Nice.
There's some birds way down yonder.
Oh, did you see that fish jump out there?
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was alive for a minute. Now I can't cast. Look at it jumping.
Reel it in a little faster. Good cast.
It's hard to see because of the reflection
Mm-hmm.
stuff.
It is, isn't it?
Where'd that crawdad go?
I don't know.
Maybe
Look at all the
Brianna
little fish going
catch him.
towards it.
It's right there.
Is he gonna go? He's going towards my stuff.
Brandon, do it.
I wanna catch him.
Oh, darn it.
I lost my bait. No, I still see it.
You still got it. Shh, just leave it close.
Oh my gosh. They keep swimming. Oh, there's one. Oh, it's
It's going right to your bait.
Oh my gosh.
Reel it in.
Oh my god. Brian, get it.
Alright, so another update. No fish. No fish. But one is going for her bait. I don't know. I'm not a fisherman. But it's kind of peaceful out here. It's kind of nice. over there, we got the rope swing, and a lot of people are over there jumping on the rope swing. It's kind of early and cold to be doing that. Shh, there's another fish. There's another fish.
Something took my bait.
Something took our bait.
The fish just left.
The fish just left. It's
Okay,
gone.
I'm gonna try casting
It's gone.
over here.
She's gonna try casting those bass. Anyways, so this is why I don't fish. I get bored. Fishing sucks.
Caught on my weights.
It's fun. It's fun actually when you catch stuff. I like the whole reeling in the fish. I ain't got patience though to fish. I used to fish with my grandpa out in the boat. Yeah, and even with my dad. I appreciate my dad for taking me fishing. Love you, Dad. But I was always bored. And I like to fish if I can catch a lot of fish. Like if it's a pond where they plant fish, dude, I'm there. I can catch those fish because they're planted. Use a small hook, some power bait, rainbow power bait. I can catch those fish pretty darn good. And use a small pole, and they're really you really gotta hold that line, and just as soon as they nibble, just jerk it. There's one place I can catch a lot of fish at.
Where?
Everywhere else, oh, I hate fishing.
Where?
That's enough for that.
Where's
though.
the place?
There's another little muskrat
There is?
over there. There's a muskrat playing in the tree under there. You can't really see it very good. I can barely see it, but anyways, I think that's about gonna wrap up our joys of fishing. I mean, I'll keep this around just in case if they do catch one, but I don't really think there's anything else to film other than maybe I'll film like our drive out, a little something with the Jeep. But yeah, what do you tell the kids? What do you tell everybody, Brianna?
Bye.
I don't know.
Have fun fishing. Doing whatever you're doing.
Make sure you find a good spot to fish.
Make sure you find a good spot to fish.
Where there's a lot of fish.
Or there's a lot of fish, she says. But anyways, have at it. This might be a boring video to some of you, but I'm just gonna start filming some of our everyday lives. I'm gonna turn this Scatterbrain Dad channel into kind of like a vlog thing, because you know, we do go ride in the CTSV. We do go for rides in the Jeep. We do go for rides in the dog Jeep. You know, we have a lot of fun, but I don't film it. And even with the dogs, I'm gonna start filming all my dogs, taking them running, all sorts of stuff, man. Hopefully it'll be entertaining. I'll try to make it entertaining. I don't know. Try to get some fun out of our lives, see what we do for fun. And yeah, stick around. Hit the subscribe button. Tell your friends, share it. Share the video. Tell them, hey, there's this dude Scatterbrain Dad on YouTube. Check him out. Alright, I'm gonna leave you with this sun shot. It's pretty crazy. So much smoke. We got an update here. Oh, hold on. Let's put it off.
Look at the deer.
It's a little dusty.
So
But
far.
anyways,
They're reaching so far.
we got a little deer right there. Right there. Little deer. But anyways, we caught some. Look at this. Look at that. We caught ourselves a little fish. You can do it. Just grab the fish.
I don't know how I'm gonna get it out.
Uh-oh, the string just broke.
I don't think it'll live. Ouch, those are pokey.
And there it goes. Swimming off. And there's the deer.
That is fun.
I don't know if this will zoom, but I'll cut it. Zoom it in for you, but yeah. It's about the excitement of our fishing.